Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you all? Samaj International Basics of Chemistry, Lecture 6. So far, how many topics we have finalized? The definition of science, definition of chemistry, the definition of matter, classification and types of atoms, and the concept of particle. 5 videos I have made on this series. Let's take the practical example. The practical example again. Again, suppose that you are standing in space. You are in a space and there is nothing at all. No earth, no sun, no stars, no human beings, no plants, no animals, no mountains, no oceans, nothing at all. No, just only you standing in space, and in front of you cluster of atoms are there. For example, cluster of atoms, a lot of atoms are in front of you, 1800 atoms, and you count them, 1800 atoms are there. Then I told you to classify all these 1800 atoms. Only 1800 atoms are there. Only 1800 atoms are there. All the atoms are similar in shape. They all are circular in shape. They all have electron, proton, neutron. They all are colorless. And I told you to classify all these 1800 atoms only. What will you do? Then you look closely and carefully each and every atom. Then you will be disclosed that some atoms are similar. For example, 100 atoms out of them has 1 electron, 1 proton and no neutron. Then you separate them out, 100 atoms. All these 100 atoms have 1 electron, 1 proton and no neutron. Then you keep all these 100 atoms in a box, put them into this box and write down hydrogen. Write down hydrogen. Now what is this hydrogen? Hydrogen is actually the name of this family. I explained each and everything in my previous videos. What is this hydrogen? Hydrogen is actually the name of this family, in which all the atoms have 1 electron, 1 proton and no neutron. Then how many atoms are remaining? 1700 atoms are remaining. Then you check again all the atoms, and finally you have separated out 100 more atoms. All the 100 atoms are similar. In which respect? Each and every atom has 8 electron, 8 proton and 8 neutron. You keep all these 100 atoms in a separate box again, in the second box, and write down oxygen. Now what is this oxygen? Oxygen is actually the name of the group. Oxygen is actually the name of the family in which you have kept all these 100 atoms which have same 8 electrons, 8 protons and 8 neutrons. Likewise, you go ahead and finally you have made 18 boxes. 18 boxes. What you have made? 18 boxes. And on some boxes oxygen is written, hydrogen is written, lithium is written, fluorine is written, bromine is written, iodine is written, krypton, xenon, argon, cesium, francium, rubidium. How many boxes are there? 118 boxes. Sorry, 18 boxes. Only 18 boxes. Got it? 18 boxes. What you have done? You have classified all the atoms. You have just 1800 atoms. Listen to me carefully. I am giving you a huge, big concept right now. So, you have distributed all these 1800 atoms in all these 18 boxes. All the atoms of this box on which the hydrogen is written are similar. All the atoms of this box on which oxygen is written are similar, and all the atoms in this box on which fluorine is written are similar. In which respect? The number of electron, number of proton and number of neutron. Okay, done. Again, recall, you are standing in space. There is nothing at all. No earth, no moon, no sun, nothing at all. Just you, and in front of you these 1800 atoms in 18 boxes. Now I am going to tell you, make things. I am going to tell you, make things. How? How can you make things? With the help of these atoms. With the help of these atoms, and for this you are to combine these atoms. You are to combine these atoms. Then you open up the first box on which hydrogen is written. Hydrogen is written, and taken out all 100 atoms. Sorry, 50 atoms only. Okay, fine, 100 atoms, and taken out all 100 atoms. Then you combine all these 100 atoms. These 100 atoms are now called atoms of hydrogen. Hydrogen atoms. You call, na? You say this is hydrogen atom. So hydrogen means, hydrogen is just a family of these atoms. So you have taken out all 100 atoms from this first box on which hydrogen is written. Okay, fine. And you are going to make groups of atoms. Groups of atoms. Groups. Group of atoms. Group of atoms. Remember, one thing can never be a group. Minimum two things can be a group. And not only group, you will have to combine them. You will have to join them. Then this collection is called group. For example, out of these 100 atoms, you are making group of 2 atoms. 2 atoms. 2 atoms. This group, this group, this group, this group. How many groups you have now? 50 groups. 50 groups. 50 groups. 50 groups. And each group is called hydrogen gas molecule. Hydrogen gas molecule. Hydrogen gas molecule. Now, how many hydrogen gas molecules now you have? You have 50 hydrogen gas molecules. And why you are calling it a molecule? Because simple definition of molecule is group of atom. Fine. Now again, just realize it, what you have made. You have made a thing. A thing. Remember, there was nothing at all around you. No earth, no sun, no mountains, no oceans, nothing at all. But now you have made a thing. Listen to me carefully. Now you made a thing. What the name of this thing? The name of this thing is hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. The first ever thing you have made with the help of these atoms. With the help of these atoms. Now, how many boxes are remaining? 17 boxes are remaining. 17 boxes are remaining. Okay, now what you are going to do? You are taking out separately, one by one. Now you are opening up the second box. Now you are opening up the second box. Second box on which oxygen is written. Oxygen is written. You have taken out all 100 atoms of oxygen, and you are going to combine all these 100 atoms and make molecules or group of atoms. But how? 2 atoms. 2 atoms. O2, 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 O2. Again, what you are going to do? you are again making a thing. You are again making a thing. This thing is called oxygen gas. Oxygen gas. Now, if someone tells you how things are made, so you can simply tell them by combining of these atoms. How things are made, how the board is made by combining of atoms. How marker is made by the combination of atoms. Likewise, this oxygen gas is made up of combining of oxygen atoms. Got it? This is oxygen gas molecule, this is oxygen gas molecule, this is oxygen gas molecule. And how many molecules now you have made? 50 molecules of oxygen gas. Got it? Now, how many boxes are remaining? 16 boxes. Now, no need to tell you more. How many things you can make finally with the help of all these 118 atoms, or how many things you can make with the help of these 18 boxes. With the help of these 18 boxes, in which each and every box 100 atoms are there, and the atoms in each and every boxes are dissimilar with each other. And what you are doing? You are making things with the help of same type of atoms. Same type of atoms. And how many things you have made? 18 things you have made finally. These 18 things are called 18 elements. (118). I think there is something wrong. There is happening something wrong. 1800, my calculation, 1800 atoms. 1800 atoms means 18 boxes. 18 boxes means 100 atoms, one thing, 100 atoms, second thing, 100 atoms, third thing, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10. Only 18 things you have made. Sorry. You have just so far 18 things. No, we are to going make how many things? 118 things. 118 things. And the name of, now it's up to you. The calculation. I am a bit weak in calculation. 118 things you are going to make. So how many atoms you need right now? 100 atoms for one thing. 100, 1000 for 10 things. 2000, 3000, 10,000 for 100 things. Yes, 10,000 atoms for 100 things. 10,000 atoms for 100 things. But how many things are there? 118 things. Did you know what I am talking about? I am talking about 118 elements which are written in your periodic table. Yes, the elements which are written in your periodic table are actually things all around us. All around us. Are you getting me? So finally we have made 1800 things, then 18 more, 1100, 11,018 atoms. So finally we have arrived at a conclusion. Just recall your memory. You are standing in space and in front of you a lot of atoms are there. You kept all these atoms in different boxes. Then you have taken out all these atoms separately and combine them and make things. Be careful about it. In our next video, lecture number 7, we will discuss some more things, because definitely in our world, on our planet Earth, just 118 things are not present. Even in your room in which you are listening to me, you are sitting in that room in which you are listening to me, more than 1000 or 2000 or 5000 things are there. So how is it possible that only just 118 things? No, there are some more things are there in the world as well. So how is it possible? We will discuss this very concept in lecture number 7. I am going to tell you the name of lecture number 7, the compounds. We will make compounds in lecture number 7. Be with me. Take care of yourself. No like, no subscribe, only share.